Welcome to your daily physical healing journey. Find a quiet, comfortable position and relax your body. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it all out. Today we are completely aligning your cells with perfect health. Release all physical tension and bodily stress right now. Allow these healing words to deeply restore your vital energy. Let us begin. I nourish my physical body deeply today, and I feel completely revitalized. Every single cell inside me vibrates perfectly, with pure, unshakable physical health. I command my strong immune system daily to thoroughly protect me from harm. The natural healing power of the universe beautifully restores my perfect inner balance. I easily release all trapped heavy tension from my tired and aching muscles. My lungs fully expand, taking fresh air, and I gracefully exhale lingering stress. I wake up every single morning refreshed and ready to experience a beautiful day. Warm healing light entirely surrounds my physical form, deeply repairing my sensitive nervous system. I completely forgive my body for past flaws and treat it with absolute deep respect. Radiant health beautifully shines through my clear skin, accurately reflecting my pure internal harmony. I drink clean fresh water to hydrate cells, successfully flushing out all unnecessary heavy toxins. My human heart beats with a steady rhythm, perfectly pumping pure vitality throughout my frame. I am effortlessly shedding old patterns of sickness, and I fully embrace a vibrant lifestyle. Every healthy daily choice I actively make now strongly supports my long-term physical longevity. My bones and joints are wonderfully smooth, flexible, easily allowing me to move with grace. I quickly wash away deep trapped emotional pain that has been slowly storing inside me. I happily eat highly nourishing and wholesome foods, easily providing me with clean, lasting energy. My beautiful, bright mind and physical body cooperate, naturally creating a state of absolute wellness. Deep restorative sleep naturally repairs my fragile nerves and perfectly balances my healthy human hormones. I am an active participant in healing journey, happily seeing continuous and wonderful physical progress. The soothing, warm energy of nature grounds me, gently drawing out all heavy, lingering tension. Highly positive thoughts create a healthy internal environment where sickness simply cannot possibly ever survive. I completely release the heavy fear of aging, and I strongly choose to age gracefully. My daily human digestion is smooth, highly efficient, completely absorbing all wonderful nutrients I consume. Every physical step I take is firm, steady, proudly showcasing the brilliant resilience of form. I am officially breaking free from bad habits that no longer serve my absolute highest good. Powerful, bright, healing frequencies penetrate my entire being, quickly restoring my perfect original energetic blueprint. I naturally feel younger and much more vibrant than I have felt in many long years. My daily physical energy levels are incredibly consistent, beautifully providing me with stamina until late night. I am constantly protected by unseen healing forces that gently guide my healthy recovery every day. The immense natural intelligence of my body knows exactly how to effectively heal itself today completely. I consciously speak powerful words of life strength over every single vital organ inside my body. A beautiful relaxing wave of warm golden energy completely washes over my tired shoulders and back. I am deeply grateful for my strong legs that safely carry me across this beautiful world. My physical bodily stamina rapidly increases with breaths, completely empowering me to achieve my daily goals. I naturally gravitate towards highly beneficial healthy activities, and I joyfully embrace my steady recovery process. The clean organic food I eat acts magically, acting as powerful medicine restoring my biological balance. I deeply honor my physical form by giving the exact wonderful rest that it truly craves. I am entirely capable of bouncing back fully, because my human bodily resilience is absolutely extraordinary. Quiet, profound healing miracles happen inside my body, and I deeply trust this magnificent unseen process. I gracefully release all subconscious mental physical resistance, completely opening myself to true pure lasting vitality. My strong bones are dense and muscles strong, beautifully supporting my upright posture with absolute perfection. I find immense daily joy in physical movement, actively celebrating the profound gift of supreme mobility. I am entirely completely safe within human form, and I strictly treat myself with profound gentleness. The vast universe continuously showers endless healing light that beautifully melts away all hidden physical discomfort. I absolutely choose to deeply focus on health, entirely ignoring any minor temporary small physical ailments. My clean blood flows incredibly smoothly and easily, delivering vital rich fresh oxygen to every corner. I effortlessly let go of deep toxic resentment that has heavily manifested as sharp physical pain. I am a magnificent, beautiful creation of universe, specifically designed for extremely long-lasting, vibrant health. My absolute physical wellness is a direct reflection of my highly positive and profoundly peaceful mindset. I am absolutely determined to live long healthy, experiencing a wonderful life filled with physical freedom. Every bright new morning brings fresh healing opportunities, and I happily embrace them with open arms. I deeply trust my physical body to signal whenever it needs extra profound, gentle, loving attention. My beautiful, healthy human body is sacred temple, and I worship it with profound daily gratitude. I naturally and completely recover quickly from setbacks, emerging much physically stronger and significantly more resilient. The profound deep well of pure healing energy is totally infinite and entirely accessible to me. I deeply inhale absolute vibrant pure bright wellness, and I powerfully exhale all lingering physical weakness. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it out. You have successfully shifted your physical body into healing mode. Carry this vibrant, healthy energy with you throughout today. Whenever you feel tired, simply return to this peaceful space. Open your eyes gently and welcome your completely revitalized body. Thank you for giving this precious healing time to yourself. Have a truly wonderful and highly energetic day.